Hey YouTube. Alright, I've got another cool video for you. So this one, I've got a script that I wrote that will search YouTube for a song or video, download it, the best audio quality it can find, ensure that it's an MP3 if it's not already, otherwise convert that to an MP3, and then run it through an AI that will separate the MP3 into vocals, drums, piano, whatever, all the other up to 5 different tracks. And then I play the drum and the vocals silently, but analyze the RMS, or like the volume level decibel of the audio that's playing but silent, and then play the original audio at the same time and do a little ASCII art animation to the whole thing. So here we go. We're downloading it, and that's successful. So we've already got the song downloaded, and it's an MP3, and we're processing it with an AI to separate out the tracks. There's the different tracks, and here we go. We've got it already, and there's the vocals, and there's the drums. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.